New research, new photographs, updated pricing, the latest US Mint data, new auction records, and more. 472 pages, 2,000 plus images. With more than 7,600 listings and 32,500 plus coin prices, over 25 million copies have sold since the first edition. The official Red Book, a guidebook of United States coins, is 77 years young and going strong. Since 1946, collectors around the country have loved the book's grade-by-grade coin values, historical background, detailed specifications, high-resolution photographs, and accurate mintage data. How rare are your coins? How much are they worth? How rare are your... The 77th edition of the Red Book tells you, covering everything from early colonial copper tokens to hefty Old West silver dollars and dazzling gold coins. You'll find 32,500 plus prices in auction records for nearly 8,000 coins, tokens, metals, sets, and other collectibles. You'll also round out your education in classic and modern commemoratives, proof and mint coins, era coins, Civil War tokens, Confederate coins, Philippine coins struck under U.S. sovereignty, private gold, all the latest American women's quarters, Native American dollars, American innovation dollars, bullion coins, silver, gold, platinum, and palladium, and more. Articles on investing, grading coins, and detecting counterfeits will make you a savvy collector, and entertaining essays on the history of American coinage, third-party grading, and the modern rare coin market give you an inside look at the hobby of kings. These are just some of the features of the informative, entertaining, invaluable Red Book, the world's best-selling coin price guide. More than 25 million copies sold. 2024 edition, 472 pages, convenient spiral-bound edition, opens up to lay flat on your desk. The Red Book is not the work of any single person. It comes from the efforts of coin dealers, collectors, and readers worldwide, who share their knowledge and experience. As a coin collector, the most useful single-volume reference you can add to your library is the annual official Red Book. Many active hobbyists consult it daily for prices,